smoker. And I learned one thing in kindergarten. I learned that boogers are not food.
Linda,
People say
right there.
I look old for this age. Yeah, old enough my beard.
Now I'd like to tell you.
Now I'd like to tell you some jokes before I leave. What did one eye say to the other?
What?
Okay. Something between us smells.
Something between us smells.
That's it.
I love it.
What did...
We
Where did the one-legged pirate go to?
Where?
Pirate show. IHOP. I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Like IHOP. What's the best time to go to the dentist? 2:30.
Just do the other day.
That's a good one.
What do you call a dentist that cleans the werewolf's teeth?
Oh.
A crazy.
No.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Oh, crazy.
I don't get that.
Oh, I get it. Crazy. Yeah.
And then
Why does the cookie have to go to the doctor?
Why did a cookie have to go?
I know because